Good day guys, and welcome to the tutorial on how to PayPal to bank account transfer. So if you're wondering how to move your money from PayPal straight into your bank account, this tutorial will guide you through the full process step by step. So guys, firstly, of course, the very first thing is to create your PayPal account. Then secondly, we need to, of course, add our first bank account or bank card. So for that, you just go to your wallet. As you can see, I'm already here. And if you want to link, just press on link a card. And in here, under the new billing address, you just insert your card number. You can also scan it if you're on the phone. Expiration, CVV, street address, region, country, and postal code. And then you just press on link the card. So from that point, what will happen is that PayPal will actually bill you a very small amount into your card to check if your card is functioning, and then they will send you that little amount back to your card. So this way they just make sure that this card is real, it's not fake, that there's no scamming going around, nothing is fake, and that everything is legit. And after that, your account and your credit card will be linked to your account. And after that, guys, you can just choose the transfer money button right over here. And you will see the two options, if of course they are available in your region. For example, transfer to your bank or transfer to a card. So for example, in my region, the transfer to a bank card directly isn't available. I can only use my card that as you can see I have tied here to transfer my PayPal balance into. So just pick a linked bank account where you'd like your funds to go. If you haven't linked one yet, just like I said, link one. Also, after pressing transfer money, you can just, as you can see in here, choose the two options, which is the instant transfer and standard transfer. So instant one is going to be arriving in minutes. And of course, once again, depending on the country, there will be fee also applied. In my case, as you can see, I have no fees on either of the ways. And standard transfer, which takes, as you can see, 1 to 3 days. That is also free. So in here, just select the option that works best for you and proceed with transferring the money. After you press this button, you will see a notification that your transfer is being processed. And after that, that's it, guys. That's all it takes to send money from PayPal straight into your bank account. And guys, once again, if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides.